Okay. Just got home. Do I have any channels? We got some crazy weather out there again. The wind is, it been raining and windy like this all day, but the wind and the rain is gonna get stronger and stronger. We have flood warnings all about 900 miles between the Gulf of Mexico to the Great Lakes. And we got some tornadoes, how we reported, thunder clouds, washes. And finally, the worst is over in Colorado. And we're under a flood warning. Flash flood warning. Heavy rain today. No severe weather. Periods of rain, where it could be heavy at times. 100% chance, 58 degrees, 20 miles an hour. Wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour. And we got a 33-mile gust, 24-mile winds, and how much inches of rain we have? Who cares? Because we got this heavier stuff coming at us. Let's go to Weatherbug. Hold on. Alright. We got the heaviest rain right now. Okay, we got the heaviest rain right now. And we still got more coming at us. All this. We got all this coming at us still. I mean, this stuff popping up in the Gulf of Mexico. And look at that mix, and Wisconsin, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska, and blah blah blah, whatever. I mean, how many inches of rain we have? We have an inch of rain. We have 3 inches of rain. And you can walk outside.
Stumbling, falling, sliding down.
The trees are moving real fast. It's well windy, but it's just the flags are like wet. So it's just giving us some waiting. It's like the flags like this real fast. It's probably got too wet and dries out. Stay tuned for more updates. Well, matter of fact, that's how much you're gonna get. More updates if we get any bad weather. There's no lighting. And that's it. This is DLC1, and this is DLC1, the Daily Read 10 General Network.